Dear brothers and sisters, what you should be doing on 8th of Dhul Hijjah? There are at least 17 activities you should be involved in it. What is that? If you are performing Hajj Qiran or Hajj Ifrat, you are already in Ihram. If you are doing Hajj Tamattu, then you should have wear the Ihram after sunrise. And you must be before noon time on 8th of Dhul Hijjah, you should be in Mina. And you should be reciting Talbiyah. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik la sharika laka labbaik, innal hamda wan ni'mata laka wal mulk, la sharika lak. That we should read it from our soul, from our heart, from every part of our body. That, oh Allah, I'm here, I'm present. Get your attendance in the register of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's very, very important. And you should be making all du'as and the prayers while you are in Ihram. You should be in Mina before noon. And you must read 5 salah on 8th of Dhul Hijjah in Mina, in Jamaat. Dear brothers, do not waste time in talking worldly issues and politics and other things, because Mr. Iblis will be working overtime to bring you on those issues. You should be turning towards reading Quran and memorizing hadith and understanding the concept of Hajj. Dear brothers, these are the very important days that you have. You have to teach people politely, talk to the people politely. As Prophet ﷺ said, Ismail is a sadaqah. And while you are there, forgive everybody, because you want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive you. How can you ask Allah to forgive you when you don't want to forgive the other people? Please, forgive everyone so that Allah can forgive you. Pray for everyone by names as much as you can. That's very, very important. Whatever the dua you will make it for the other people, Allah will make it for you automatically. The practical thing that you should remember, that on 8th of Dhul Hijjah, after Maghrib or Isha, prepare a bag, because you will be going to Arafat and then you will be going to Muzdalifah. A small bag. Have a sleeping bag with you. Have a water bottle with you. Make sure that you have some dry food with you. Now, important thing is that don't leave this thing for packing till the next morning. Make sure that you read all salah in Jamaat and talk to the people and help people. Helping, doing the social work is a very, very important task in Islam. In one of the hadiths, Prophet ﷺ said, one of the Sahaba just brought the water from a well and poured the water on the mouth of a dog. This act was loved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so much that He forgave the sin of that Sahabi. Dear brothers, while you are in Mina, help your other friends and the other people, and spend your time teaching other people the Quran and the Hadith, and make sure that we do all our time doing zikr. This is the most important days of your life. May Allah accept your ibadah. Thank you.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.